Sorry about that, guys. I guess that video will be. Oh my gosh, what the heck? What is happening? I mean, I like it, but I don't know what it is. Sorry about that, guys. I guess these two videos will be disconnected slightly. Anyway, as I was saying, should I do the blue bee first, red bee first, or the stick bug guy first? Because I heard he does a raid. But I don't know. Ooh, both of these connected. That's nice. What the? Well, I'm almost at max pollen, so it's almost the end of the video anyway. This is a 1-minute clip at the end of the last video. So I'll probably name them the same, but this one will say end clip. Yep, I'll see you guys later today, I guess. I can post probably 3 videos today. I posted 2 yesterday, both of them a collab. And I can post like 3 today. Maybe 1 or 2 collabs. Y'all, do y'all like the collabs? Because, like, if you don't like them, I can stop doing them, but, you know, it's kind of hard to do. Because he likes doing them. Anyway, once this finishes making honey, I'll probably end the clip. I'm so tired. Well, I'll see you guys later today. Well, I guess I won't see you really, but I'll talk to you. I guess it's complicated. Bye. Crap, why isn't it ending? I guess I should do an outro. Bye, guys.